What's going on, YouTube family? Yes, we back. Yes, you know it. We back with another banger. Yo, this is a shoe that I've been saying that's going to be slept on all year. Let me grab the other. Let me grab this. This is a shoe that's slept on. What? This is slept on. Y'all not understanding why I say this. Look, the quality, and continuously I'm gonna keep saying it's quality over quantity. And when I say the qualities on this is crazy, with the hints of the off-white, look, y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for it. Look, yo, do me a favor, get in them comments, do me a favor, hit a like, hit the subscribe button. Y'all know what to do. Let's run these videos up. Like I said before, we back, and hey, we gonna tear this mother up. Let's go. Yo, we here to talk about, yes, the brother, sister, cousin, whatever you want to do, call it, to that shoe. Bam. Y'all see it, ambush. And y'all know me, I am a Air Force One freak. Yo, freak. I continuously buy Air Force One. Now, mind you, I don't go for the hype stuff. I'm not a hype beast. I don't like the hype stuff. Give me some GR or some overseas release that you're not going to see here, and I'm all on it all day. I hate hype shit. Yes, I hate hype shit. Don't hype a shoe up for me to get it, for know that the quality is just horrible. I don't do it to y'all, and I'm not going to do it to, and I don't like when people do it to me. So, when y'all get these videos, just know they coming from a place of, I care, because it ain't nothing like spending $160 on a pair of shoes that you only gonna get one wear out of. I continuously say this, but I don't think y'all hear me. It's nothing like spending $160 on a shoe. And matter of fact, $210, because that's what Jordan's going for. $210 on a shoe that ain't even worth it. Like, are you what? Like, are you serious? Like, come on, man. The quality bad. It's bad leather. You wear it once and it's creasing all on the toe box. Like, what's the point of that? So, when I tell y'all it's quality versus everything versus quantity all day. Every shoe I got here, or you see this, I show in my collection, it's always a quality to it. Or I just fell in love with the colorway. This one is quality. Yes, quality. Let's get into it. Ain't no more talking. This the ambush. Air Force One low. This is black and phantom, the new color now. This is, first it was coconut milk, now phantom popping up on everything. Thank you, Yeezy. Thank you, Virgil. I think that's what it is. Let's go. Like, bam, bam, bam. Shout out to eBay, because this is where I got this purchase off of eBay. And I'm telling y'all now, I don't mess with StockX, and I just do not really be on GOAT no more, but I do go to GOAT for some stuff, depending on if it's reasonable. But eBay is the place to be. I don't know if y'all heard me. This ain't an ad, but eBay the place to be. Let's get into this shoe, because I know I'm talking a lot. Let's go. Bam, bam, bam. Where we at? Ambush. Bam, bam, bam. Woo! Man, come on, man. Come on, man. Because y'all not feeling me. We're gonna keep that same energy, that same, I'm a breaking your crib with some quality kicks on. No. Anyways, getting into this, bam, black Air Force One energy all day. Look, y'all know, if y'all don't know, I guarantee go cop these. They're going for under retail right now. And this is a quality shoe. This shoe, me personally, I always go a half size, if not true to size, on Air Force Ones. I always go half size up, or my size, which is 11.5. I always go up because I have a wide foot. So sometimes if I go true to size, when I put it on, it's gonna look like a boat. It's gonna be blowing out on the sides. So I always try to go half size up just to accommodate for me having a wide foot. Hopefully when I lose a couple LBs, that might change, but it might not. Who knows? Whatever. But yes, here we go. Bam, this do come with an extra set of laces, which is that phantom color. You got that ambush in the inside. When I tell you the quality leather is so soft and supple, I'm probably sweating all over the camera, man, because I got the lights on. It's hot in here. Yo, it is what it is. It's summertime. We got to deal with it. But, bam, 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 bam. You got the ambush on the back. Look, Nike and Ambush keep coming out with these dope collabs, and I'm here for it. All day, every day. If y'all don't know, y'all know now. Look, that swoosh that's coming off the back, you can't go wrong with that, man. Like, you can't go wrong with the ambush on the bottom. I think one of them these got the ambush where the Nike supposed to be at the bottom. If y'all can see that, if not, I'll put it in an overlay. But bam, y'all see it. Yo, I'm just hyped about this shoe. As you can see, I've already wore those a little bit. These will definitely get wear. It's a black shoe. We about to step in them. Normally, I get a white shoe and step in them. Oh, and it is 2 more colors of these. You got the reverse of this, and then you got a green and yellowish chrome, goldish, yellow and gold. Well, green and gold. My fault. I might put the picture up somewhere in there. But I'm trying to decide if I want to go with the white ones. I know I don't want the green ones. The green ones just not in my, I don't know, favorite color, but that is just ain't in my wheelhouse right now. I really didn't really stand out to me. I've seen it in person. But these, man, these dropped. Ooh, I think early this year. Early this year. Let me look at the thing on here. Yes, no, they last year. So they made these in 2022, 7/2022, and I think we got these the end of last year, beginning of this year, somewhere up in there. But yeah, do me a favor. If you're digging what you're watching, and if you mess with the message I'm putting out here, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tell your people, hey, this your boy, Blacked Out Kickz. Once again, let your haters watch your past while you continuously look forward. Hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.